Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on LENOVO Tab P11 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. And then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now. Then you can click open permissions and select AI assistant, and then click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back. Now go back again and click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.